Listo.
¿Confirma?
You can go ahead and take a seat, sir. My partner, he's going to read you something, okay? Pay attention to it.
Okay, so you're under arrest for an offense arising out of acts alleged to have been committed while you were operating a motor vehicle in a public place or watercraft while intoxicated, or an offense under section 106.041 Alcoholic Beverage Code. You will be asked to give a specimen of your breath and or blood. The specimen will be analyzed to determine the alcohol concentration or the presence of a controlled substance, drug, dangerous drug, or other substance in your body. If you refuse to give the specimen, that refusal may be admissible in subsequent prosecution. Your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 180 days, whether or not you are subsequently prosecuted for this offense. If you refuse to submit to the taking of a specimen, the officer may apply for a warrant authorizing a specimen to be taken from you. If you are 21 years of age or older and submit to the taking of a specimen and an analysis of the specimen shows that you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 90 days, whether or not you are subsequently prosecuted for this offense. If you are younger than 21 years of age and have any detectable amount of alcohol in your system, your license, permit, or privilege to operate a motor vehicle will be suspended or denied for not less than 60 days. However, if you submit to the taking of a specimen and an analysis of the specimen shows that you have an alcohol concentration of less than 0.08, you may be subject to criminal penalties less severe than those provided for under Chapter 49 Penal Code. If you submit to the taking of a blood specimen, the specimen will be retained and preserved in accordance to Article 38.50 Code of Criminal Procedure. If you were operating a motor vehicle and you refuse to give the specimen or provide a specimen that shows you have an alcohol concentration of 0.08 or more, you may be disqualified from driving a commercial motor vehicle for a period of not less than 1 year. You may request a hearing of the suspension or denial. This request must be received to the Texas Department of Public Safety at its headquarters in Austin, Texas, no later than 15 days after you receive or are presumed to have received notice of suspension or denial. The request can be made by written demand, fax, or other form prescribed by the department. I certify that I have informed you both orally and in writing of the consequences of refusing to submit to the taking of a specimen or providing a specimen. I certify that I have requested your signature below acknowledging the voluntary consent to the taking of a specimen. I certify I have provided you with a complete and true copy of this statutory warning.
And then just give it to him so he can read it. And then if I can just have your watch, sir. If you can take it off. And we're just going to put it with your property. If you want to turn it off for the battery.
No, that's fine.
Can you what?
Can I call legal?
Not right now. Right now we're just asking you if you're willing to provide a breath sample. If you are willing to provide a breath sample, we would conduct the test here. We would present the case to the DA. If you blow under the limit, we would present it to the DA, and it would be up to their discretion if they want to take it or not. If you blow over the limit, then you would get arrested. If you do not want to provide a breath sample, we will request a blood warrant, and we will take you to get they're going to pretty much take out blood.
So the question is, I mean, I don't have a problem, I just want to make sure that. So you're saying if I provide a breathalyzer, it's okay?
Yes.
And then if I'm under the limit, which I should be, then you would let me go?
We would talk to the DA, and it would be up to their discretion if
It's up to the DA's
the DA.
discretion?
Yes. If, let's say, for example, you blow under, and we're going to talk to the DA, we're going to tell them what happened, we're going to tell them the results, and if they tell us let him go, then we would let you go. If they tell us, no, you know what, go ahead and take him into the jail, then we would take you in.
And what happens to the car, like, let's say if I blow under it?
The car is already impounded. The AD record, I think, already got there. So you would have to get in contact with AD record and get it from their lot. We can give you the information.
So there's already that cost, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're saying I can't call an attorney right now?
Right now, we're asking for you to either submit your breath or your blood.
I don't have a problem, I just want to make sure, I mean, if you already took the car, then I just want to make sure that legal recommends this.
He's going to tell you that it's up to you. If you want to read it again, if you have any questions, let us know. If you decide, that you don't want to provide a breath sample, we will request a blood warrant. Your license will get suspended for it as well. So right now it's just if you want to provide the breath sample or if we're going to get the blood warrant, sir.
So this section is for 21 years?
Yes.
At this point, from what I've told, unless you let me contact an attorney,
That what I'm sorry?
from what I've been told is just refuse anything until I have an attorney present.
Okay, that's fine. Then we're going to request your blood, okay? You can take a seat.